This is the great secret of life.
Chapter 2. What you are. You are energy. You pure and simple. You're made of the same stuff as the sun, the moon, and the stars. You are a walking, talking bundle of intelligent energy in the form of a human body. You're made up of cells, which are made up of atoms, which are made up of subatomic particles. What are subatomic particles? Energy. Everything is energy. All matter is energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It is the cause and effect of itself. It is evenly present. It's evenly present in all places, at all times. Energy is a constant motion and never rests. It is forever moving from one form to another. Energy follows thoughts. There's no extra piece in the universe. Everyone is here because he or she has a place to fill, and every piece must be fit in itself into a big jigsaw puzzle. Deepak Chopra. You are connected. You are connected to everything and everyone. You are completely a unique piece of a much greater whole, the integral part of the cosmos. You are a ball of energy in a much larger energy field, and you are part as much of a greater power. You are part of God. The wisdom of an entire universe is yours for the asking. Think of the internet. You can't see it or touch it, but you know that it's there. It is real. It is an invisible energy connecting that links us all together to each other. You are connected to everyone and everything in the same way. Have you ever found that people who you are close to, you could sometimes finish a sentence for them, or the both of you say the same thing at the exact same time? This is not a coincidence. It's a connection. This is a perfect example of how connected we really are for those around us. Again, things like that isn't a coincidence. It's a connection. We've all had the same experiences of starting to think about someone, perhaps something or someone whom we haven't seen or spoken in years. And then several minutes later, the phone rings, and it's them on the other end of the line. I was just thinking about you. We exclaim in wonder. We were actually picking up on the intention to call, but before they had that time of acting upon it, our thoughts traveled through time and space at an amazing speed. Through your connection, we are able to pick up an energy of our thoughts and intentions before we even dialed the number. Or perhaps it was your thinking about them that stimulated them to call you. Because of the law of attraction, each of you is like a powerful magnet, attracting more of the way that you feel at any point in time. Esther and Jerry Hicks. You are a magnet. You are a living magnet. You literally attract the things, people's ideas, circumstances to you that vibrate and resonate the same energy frequencies as yours. Your energy comes and changes constantly based on your thoughts and feelings. And then the universe acts like a mirror, sending back the reflection of the energy that you project. The stronger and more intense your thoughts, the emotions are, the greater the magnetic pull becomes. This is not a process that requires any real effort. A magnet doesn't try to attract anything, it just simply does, and so do you. You are always in the process of attracting something into your life. Do you realize that your life at this very moment is the result of everything that you have ever thought of, done, believed, and felt up to now? That your life is exactly this very moment the result of everything that you've ever thought, done, believed, and felt up till now. You can start right now to consciously and deliberately attract whatever you desire into your lifetime. Through the law of attraction, you can attract people, resources, money, ideas, strategies, circumstances, literally everything you need to create the future of your dreams. And all that we are is the result of what we have thought. Buddha. You are far more powerful than you realize. You are creating everything in your life. Once you fully acknowledge this, take responsibility for it, and you can do anything that you set your mind to. You are the author of your own life. You can choose to take it in any direction that you wish. You have the ability to change your life. You have the ability to create your own desired future. You have unlimited potential. And once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. Ralph Waldo Emerson.
This is the great secret of life.